Hello friends, my name is Bala, and in these sessions we are going to discuss about getting help from Linux system. In the previous sessions we discussed about Linux basic commands. If you wanted to know more about the command and its uses, Linux basically provides you a detailed information about the commands. As we are aware, we can check details of command over the Google or internet. However, those are the external source, and many times we don't have any internet access, and if you wanted to get help or wanted to know more about the command, Linux provides you informations about the command. Let's discuss first about what is. What is basically a command which will provide you a basic information about any command. This will basically provides you single line information about any command. The syntax of what is command, you have to use what is and then the command cal. So here we can see a display a calendar or print a calendar. Let's take another example. What is ls? And ls is a command which provide list of directory contents. So this is how we can get a basic information about any command. Sometime you will get error message while execution of what is command, that is nothing appropriate, and that is because of you need to make a man database, and for the same you could use man db command. This command will update the database of what is command, and then only you will be able to get a basic information from what is command. Second command is info command. Whenever Linux install any packages and the binary files, usually most of binaries or commands will also get information pages while the installation. Information pages or info pages basically will provide you a more detailed information than the what is command. However, this is a bit unstructured information which is a little bit complicated to understand. It will give you more details than the what is command. The syntax of info command the same as what is command. First of all, you have to use info and then the command about which you wanted to get more information. So this will provide you a more information about the command and its uses. Sometime information pages you will find a more useful than the what is command. But as I said, information pages might not available for all the commands, but most of commands you will get information pages. However, this is unstructured information and a little bit complicated to understand. Man is another command which provide us a detailed information and its uses about any command. Whatever the options available to use with the command, same information will get from the man pages only. So let's check how we can use the man pages. For example, cal. So this will give me a detailed informations about command, and this is basically very structureful and well maintained information. Similar like any book. So here we can see, first of all, it provides names, synopsis, descriptions, and its uses. Options area will give you whatever the options is available to use along with the command. Take an example. For example, here we can see /s basically provides us a display Sunday as a first day of week, and -m is used to display Monday as a first day of week. So let's check it. Cal -s, and here we can see Sunday as a first day of week. However, if we used cal -m, it will give you Monday as a first day of week in the calendar. And this informations we get from man pages. Similarly, most of particular command you will get some examples to execute the particular command, which will be very useful while working in a production environment. This particular man page will also provide you a more information about the command and historical background of the command. I hope you understood now how we can get more information from the Linux system and use for us. Thank you so much. Rest of details will cover up in the next session.